This is the part 3 video to bring plus mark to here, plus mark to here. So for that purpose one formula is there. Here you can see FRT RTF R dash T dash F dash means this is before that I will tell you this is right clockwise, this is right anti-clockwise, this is top clockwise, this is top anti-clockwise, left clockwise, left anti-clockwise, front clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Now we will follow this formula, we will get this like this plus mark, yellow, this should become 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 yellow. For that this formula we should use one or twice, definitely we will get yellow color. Now I will start from here like this. This is a front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Now we get like this U shape. Now once again we start like this. Front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and finally front anti-clockwise. Yeah, we got it, plus mark. After getting a plus mark, second, this formula should be used. RU R dash U R dash. If you use this formula, this you can see this figure, this will also match this yellow color, this saffron. Okay, this yellow color, saffron matched like this. But here yellow, red is not matched here. This is blue color. Here also red, blue, it is not matched. Here also not matched. To matching for that these cubes using this formula. How to start means, if you start like this, it will fix. If you use this formula, it will fix. It will never change. This cube will come to here. This cube will come to here. This cube come to here. This blue come to here. This blue come to here, not come to here, because it is I am starting from the this face. Let's see. This is this right clockwise, top or upper side clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top clockwise or upper side clockwise, right clockwise, upper side clockwise, once again clockwise, upper side, right anti-clockwise. Yeah, this is fixed, but this will went to this. See here yellow, red, yellow, green matched, yellow, saffron matched, this matched. Now we start. Everything is okay except this last cubes, edges, corner cubes. Let's see it is correct position or not. Yellow, this yellow, okay, this green, saffron. This is perfectly matched, but position is wrong. But this cube should become here only, but not matched correct position. The position is correct, but colors are not matched. Okay, here yellow, red. See here, this is wrong, because here red is there, here also, here not red. Okay, this one is correct. Which one is correct? You put like start from this position is correct, this one is not correct. Here red, This one is also not correct. Yellow okay, red okay. This is green is not matched. Here blue is there, okay. Here also not matched. Now this one is correct position, so I will start this formula. TR T dash L dash T R dash T dash L. I will follow that one. Top clockwise, right clockwise, top anticlockwise, left anticlockwise, top clockwise, right anticlockwise, top anticlockwise, left clockwise. Now this is correct position, okay. It is correctly matched. Here also correctly matched. See this saffron, this blue, yellow, it is matched. Here perfectly fixed. Here also okay. All the cubes are correct position. Now start this one okay, this one. Now fourth formula, right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Follow the same procedure until finish the cube or Rubik's. Now right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. This is matched, but here it's not matched, so repeat the same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now also not matched. Once again start the same formula. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now also not matched. Once again start the same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now it is matched. After matching this cube perfectly, just upper portion turn once right or clockwise. Now it is not in correct position. Same process start once again. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now not matched. Once again start the same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Not matched. Start same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now not matched. Same procedure start. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now it is matched. Similarly what we have did before, like that. Turn clockwise upper portion. It is not matched. Now start this formula once again. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Not matched. So start same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now it is matched. And rotate upper portion clockwise once. It is not fixed. So start same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Now also not matched this cube. And once again start the same procedure. Right anticlockwise, bottom anticlockwise, right clockwise, bottom clockwise. Okay. Now turn to upper portion to this side. Now perfectly matched. Thank you friends.